Hi, in this video I will show how to use app for converting Anki apkg file to HTML pages. And this is file we will be using for converting. We created this file into previous video when we converted Wikipedia page to Anki. And I can double click and to show it to you really quick. So this is an Anki file viewer. It's a free app. I will leave link on this app into description. It shows just front and back page of every card, and you can see it has all dynasty information, empire information we are imported from Wikipedia page. Now to download app, I will go onto my website. I will leave link on this site into description too, and type in search. I click in search and type Anki to get to Anki apps, and then click on convert to apkg file, and click on Anki to HTML, and click on download button to start downloading. It will download archive with an app on my computer from Google Drive. I also will be recording more apps, more videos for Anki apps in the future. So if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. And you can see archive has been downloaded to my computer. I'll just click on download archive to open it, double click on the side to start installation, and click on more info on next screen. Now I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Conversion, I can close this. Conversion is a 3 steps process. In the first step we will have to select input apkg file. I will click on this button, navigate to my empires apkg, click to open, and I have my file selected here. Then I will click on next step. There are no conversion options here yet, so I will click on next step, and on the final screen I'll just click run, and it will ask me for name and location of result HTML file. This name, let's call it empires2 HTML, and click on save, and you can see file has been saved. Now let's go and see file. I'll just double click and to open it. And you can see all data from Anki has been converted into this large web page, and it contains 2 columns. It's like a table, contains 2 columns, question and answer, and we have all information from questions here and all information from answer here. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you want to see more videos on apps or Anki apps, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.